Creating a self-care kit can be a wonderful way to prioritize your well-being and provide yourself with the tools and items that help you relax, recharge, and feel your best. This video is a step-by-step guide on how to make a personalized self-care kit. How to make a self-care kit. Welcome to a La Mode where life meets style. If you're looking for a place to unwind, learn, and grow, hit that subscribe button and join our incredible community. 1. Determine the purpose of your self-care kit. Creating a self-care kit begins with understanding its purpose. This step is crucial as it shapes the content and focus of your kit, ensuring it effectively meets your needs. Start by assessing the areas of your life that need the most attention. Self-care can address various aspects, such as emotional, physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Reflect on your daily routine, stressors, and moments when you feel overwhelmed or in need of a break. Consider keeping a journal for a week to track your emotions and physical states to pinpoint the areas that need the most care. Once you have identified your needs, it's important to set clear intentions for your self-care kit. Think about what you want to achieve, like if your primary goal is to reduce stress, focus on items that promote relaxation and calmness, or if you often feel down or unmotivated, include items that lift your spirits and bring joy. Your lifestyle plays a significant role in shaping the purpose of your self-care kit. How much time can you realistically dedicate to self-care each day? Choose items that fit into your schedule, whether you have 10 minutes or an hour. Think about where you will use your self-care kit. Items for home use might differ from those you would use at work or on the go. It's important to be realistic about what your self-care kit can achieve. By taking the time to determine the purpose of your self-care kit, you ensure that it is tailored to meet your specific needs and goals, making it a more effective tool for your well-being. 2. Choose a container. Selecting the right container for your self-care kit is an important step in the process. The container you choose should be functional, practical, and ideally, something that brings you a sense of joy or comfort. The size of your container should be based on the number and type of items you plan to include in your self-care kit. If you want a kit that you can easily take with you on the go, opt for a smaller container like a toiletry bag, a small cosmetic case, or a lunchbox-sized container. If your self-care kit is intended for home use and includes larger items like books, blankets, or journals, a larger container such as a shoebox, a decorative basket, or a small suitcase might be more suitable. The container should be durable enough to protect its contents and withstand regular use. Choose a container that allows for easy organization of your items. Containers with compartments, pockets, or removable sections can help keep your self-care items neatly arranged and easy to find. For example, craft boxes with multiple compartments or trays with sections that can be placed inside larger containers. Your container should be easy to open and close, and its contents should be easily accessible. If you plan to use your self-care kit frequently, make sure it's not cumbersome to open or difficult to find items inside. Transparent containers can help you quickly see what's inside without having to open it. Choosing the right container for your self-care kit ensures that your items are well protected, easily accessible, and organized. A thoughtfully chosen container can also enhance the overall appeal and effectiveness of your self-care kit, making it a more enjoyable and useful tool for your well-being. 3. Gather your items. Selecting the right items for your self-care kit is essential to ensure it effectively meets your needs and preferences depending on your self-care requirement. Whether it is for emotional self-care, physical self-care, mental self-care, or spiritual self-care. Emotional self-care focuses on managing your emotions and maintaining a positive mental state. Consider including items that help you process and express your feelings, like journals, pens, books, inspirational quotes, or photo album. Physical self-care is about taking care of your body and ensuring you feel physically well. Choose items that help you relax and rejuvenate. Include items like skincare products, soft blankets, cozy socks, a favorite pillow, or healthy snacks like nuts, dried fruit, herbal teas to nourish your body. Mental self-care involves activities that stimulate your mind and help you maintain mental clarity. Include items that engage your intellect and creativity like puzzles, games, mindfulness tools, essential oils, and learning materials. Spiritual self-care is about nurturing your spirit and finding inner peace. Include items that connect you to your spiritual side. Items like candles, incense, crystals, stones, affirmation cards, and meditation aids. Your self-care kit should reflect your unique preferences and tastes. Include items that you genuinely enjoy and that bring you comfort and happiness. By thoughtfully gathering items that cater to your emotional, physical, mental, and spiritual needs, you can create a self-care kit that serves as a personalized and effective tool for enhancing your well-being. 4. Organize your kit. Proper organization of your self-care kit is crucial to ensure that all items are easily accessible and that the kit serves its intended purpose effectively. Begin by grouping your items into categories based on their purpose. This makes it easier to locate what you need quickly. Group items like journals, books, photo albums, together. Skincare products, healthy snacks, exercise tools should be in another group. To keep items from getting mixed up, use dividers and compartments within your container. Place smaller items in zippered pouches or small bags to keep them organized within the larger container. Consider using a container with removable trays to create layers of organization. Labeling helps you quickly find what you need, especially if your kit contains many small items. Attach tags to pouches or items that need extra identification. Place items you use most often on the top layer or in the most accessible compartment. If your container has external pockets, use these for items you might need to grab quickly. Organize your items in a logical order based on when and how you use them. Keep items you use daily, like skincare products or journals, in the most accessible part of your kit. Store items you use less frequently, like special treats or seasonal items, in less accessible sections. A neat and tidy kit is more inviting and easier to use. Periodically, go through your kit to ensure everything is in its place and to remove any items that are no longer needed. Make sure all items are stored properly to avoid damage, such as keeping liquids sealed tightly and fragile items cushioned. Keep it compact enough to be practical, especially if you need to move your kit around. By organizing your self-care kit thoughtfully and effectively, you ensure that it is a functional, inviting, and supportive tool for your well-being. 5. Personalize your kit. Personalizing your self-care kit makes it uniquely yours, ensuring it reflects your tastes, preferences, and needs. Your self-care kit should be an extension of your personality. Choose a container and items that match your personal style and preferences. Select a color palette that you love and find soothing or uplifting. Opt for patterns and designs that resonate with you, whether it's floral, geometric, or something else. Choose materials that feel good to the touch and are aesthetically pleasing to you, such as fabric, wood, or metal. Decorating your container can make it more inviting and special. Paint or draw designs on the container. Use stickers, decals, or washi tape to add visual interest. Cover your container with a favorite fabric or wrapping paper. Incorporate items that have personal significance and bring you joy or comfort. Include photos of loved ones, pets, or places that make you happy. Add small keepsakes, like a special coin, a piece of jewelry, or a memento from a memorable trip. Keep handwritten notes, letters, or cards from friends and family. Ensure your kit contains items that align with your hobbies and interests. Make the interior of your container just as special as the exterior. Line the interior with a soft fabric or decorative paper. Customize compartments with different colors or materials to differentiate sections. Update your self-care kit to reflect the changing seasons or holidays. Add small seasonal decorations or colors that match the time of year. While personalization is important, ensure your kit remains functional and practical. Maintain a balance between aesthetics and organization. By personalizing your self-care kit, you create a tool that not only meets your needs but also brings you joy and comfort every time you use it. 6. Create a routine. Establishing a routine with your self-care kit ensures that you consistently take time to nurture your well-being. A well-structured routine can help you integrate self-care into your daily life, making it a regular and essential part of your schedule. Start by defining the purpose of your self-care routine. Understand what you aim to achieve with your self-care practice, whether it's reducing stress, enhancing your mood, boosting physical health, or fostering mental clarity. Decide how often you want to engage in self-care activities, whether it's daily, weekly, or as needed. Choose times in your day when you can dedicate uninterrupted time to self-care. This could be in the morning to start your day positively, during a lunch break, or in the evening to wind down. Integrate self-care activities into your daily or weekly schedule. Consistency is key to building a habit. Dedicate specific times each day for self-care, such as 10 minutes of journaling in the morning or a 15-minute evening skincare routine. Set aside longer periods on certain days for more involved self-care activities, like a weekend spa session or a weekly yoga class. Begin with simple activities like deep breathing exercises, stretching, or reading a few pages of a book. Variety keeps your routine interesting and addresses different aspects of your well-being. Rotate activities based on your needs and preferences. Include activities like a quick workout, a relaxing bath, a skincare routine, journaling, talking to a friend, listening to your favorite music, solving puzzles, reading, or engaging in a hobby. By creating a routine for your self-care kit, you can ensure that self-care becomes a regular, enjoyable, and effective part of your life, contributing to your overall well-being. 7. Evaluate and update. Regularly evaluating and updating your self-care kit ensures it remains effective and aligned with your current needs and preferences. Establish a schedule for evaluating your self-care kit. This could be monthly, quarterly, or whenever you notice a change in your needs or circumstances. A quick monthly review can help you stay on top of any immediate changes. A more in-depth quarterly review allows you to make significant updates and adjustments. Reflect on how well your self-care kit is serving its purpose. Determine if there are any gaps in your self-care kit or if new needs have emerged. Have you developed any new interests or hobbies that should be included in your kit? Are there seasonal items that need to be added or removed, like for example, summer skincare or winter skincare? Remove items that you no longer use or that are not effective. Incorporate new items that align with your current self-care needs and preferences. Try new skincare products, books, or activities that interest you. Your self-care needs can change, so be flexible and willing to adapt your kit. Ensure that your self-care kit remains a reflection of your unique needs and preferences. Updating your self-care kit should be a positive and enjoyable experience that enhances your overall well-being. By regularly evaluating and updating your self-care kit, you can ensure that it continues to serve you effectively. To sum up, by assembling a self-care kit tailored to your unique preferences and needs, you can create a go-to resource for maintaining your well-being and finding comfort whenever you need it. So ladies, what do you plan to incorporate in your self-care kit? We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for tuning in, and if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more discussions.